Ever heard of Dogecoin mooning on a tweet? That's the power of meme coins. In the next 3 minutes, we'll uncover what they are, how they work, and why everyone's talking about them. Meme coins started as jokes. In 2013, Dogecoin launched with a Shiba Inu mascot. It had zero serious goals, just fun. Yet its community took off, showing that social buzz can drive a coin's value. At their core, meme coins are blockchain tokens, often ERC20 on Ethereum or BEP20 on Binance Smart Chain. Technically, they're no different from any other token. What sets them apart is branding and community. Communities on Reddit, Twitter, and Discord fuel hype. Memes, viral jokes, and celebrity shout-outs turn ordinary tokens into overnight sensations. When hype peaks, traders rush in, bidding prices sky high, until the buzz fades. Dogecoin paved the way. Then came Shiba Inu, Floki, Safe Moon, even Pepe Coin. Each coin rides a meme wave, hoping to capture attention and pump its price. More memes, more eyeballs, more volatility. But here's the catch. Most meme coins lack underlying value or real use cases. Their price is pure speculation. That means huge swings. Up 500% one day, down 80% the next. Risks? Plenty. Rug pulls, when developers vanish with your money, are common. Low liquidity means you might not be able to sell. Always check the project's team, tokenomics, and community trust. Yet, for risk-tolerant traders, meme coins can deliver life-changing gains. A single viral tweet can send prices to the moon. Just remember, what goes up on hype can come crashing down just as fast. To wrap up, meme coins are wild, community-driven experiments in crypto culture. They're fun, unpredictable, and extremely risky. If you dive in, start small, do your homework, and enjoy the ride, just don't bet the farm.